How to add GIFs to Shopify Product Page. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys. It is super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video helped you out. So what we pretty much want to do is simply go to our product page over here, and what I'm going to do is add a GIF to the description of this black t-shirt over here. So here is a little bit of text, and I want to add it below the text over here. So in order to do that, we can follow a couple of steps. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest version, and then in my opinion, the best version afterwards. So the easiest version is if you search for GIF and then go to Giphy or Tenor, for example, is, let's say I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go with this one over here. Now, once you are here on Tenor, you can also create your own GIF by uploading it over here, as well as simply searching for any GIF you would like to. So I think I'm going to go with this one over here. And then if you scroll a little bit down, we can see over here the embed link. So we want to click on this, and then it is copied to the clipboard. And then what I'm going to do is go to the description, click on show HTML. I think I'm going to go one below this, and I'm simply going to paste everything in here. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to then click on preview, and there we go. We can now see the GIF. But as you can see the Tenor logo. You can see all of this. So if I click on this, this will bring you over to their website and everything. If you don't mind that, you can leave it like this. But I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. So the very first thing which I'm going to do is get rid of the script we have just added. So I'm going to get rid of that, click on save, and now we have removed the GIF from our description. Now over here we can see the GIF, right? So what I'm going to do is simply right click on this. I'm going to click on save image as, and I'm simply going to save it as a GIF image, just like that. It has to be saved as a .gif file. Then on Google, I'm going to search for GIFU, and you want to click on this website, and here we can upload our GIFs. So here I'm going to drag and drop the GIF, and I'm going to click on upload. Now we have uploaded the GIF, as you can see. And what we need to do is simply scroll a little bit down. Here we can see embed codes. You want to open that up, and we need the HTML code. So I'm going to click on copy right over there. And now I have copied the code. I'm going to go back. I'm once again going to click on show HTML. And I'm going to hit enter once, and I'm going to paste in the code right over here. So now I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to click on preview. And if we now scroll down, we can see the GIF over here, and there is no logo or anything. Although if I click on it, it will bring you over to this website, but at least we don't see the watermark and the code and everything. So yeah, there you go. That is how to add GIFs to Shopify Product Page.